Good morning, Turbo Revers. Now I'm taking the car to the service center. Let's see. I'll tell them all my issues that I've been facing with this vehicle, and let's see what they have to say. And I will share the update with y'all. All right. See you soon. So, guys, my car is here at the service center. See, look at the number of cars that are over here. Look at that. My God. So, yeah, my car is here, and we're gonna just see what the service advisor has to say as to the issues that I've been facing and what they're going to do about it. I'm sure they'll fix it. It's not something major that I've come for, but still, an issue is an issue, be it small or big. I don't want it in my new car, a brand new car, to be very honest with you guys. So I'll keep you guys updated. Stay tuned. All right. So guys, I'm in the waiting room right now. Will be updated soon about the status of my vehicle, and I'll let y'all know. I know I've been saying this so many times. I'll let y'all know. Let's see what happens. Chalo. देखो guys, मेरी गाड़ी आ गई है. I think they went for a test run to see if there were any issues. There it is. The glass is so dirty. But yeah, that's my car over there, as you can see. Okay. So guys, an update. They resolved the fit and finish issue. All right. They're looking at the dash cam now. What's going on with that? And accordingly, if it's fixed, great, or they will change it. And they told me if you face any issue, you can just come and we will. This time we'll change it. We're just checking to see if it works. If it works, fine. And then there was an issue of the humming noise, which I did not talk about earlier in the previous video. What was happening was that when I'm starting the car, cold start, so the RPM goes above 1000 naturally to heat up the car. So as soon as it drops down below 1000, you can hear a subtle humming noise coming from the left side. So that was a little concerning for me. So I just asked them to check the humming noise. They said we'll check that also. So, and they said nothing to worry. Don't worry. Face any kind of an issue, just let us know. I said, see, I don't want to face an issue. I don't want to keep coming here only. Okay, I have other things to do. I want to record. I want to make memories with my car, not just make memories coming to the service center. Though the service center has done a fantastic job once again. Really happy with their service, but the product should have been made better. All right, so that's the only thing that has just you know been the negative factor. Apart from that, everything has been great. My true and honest opinion I'm going to give you. When you watch my videos on my channel, you'll always get an honest opinion about each and every factor when it comes to automobiles. Because I'm not a guy who's going to talk good just because I'm a fan of something. Alright, I have to talk the negatives also, because if I'm not honest with you people, you guys will tell me that I saw your video and you said all the good things and now I'm suffering. That should not be the case. I don't want that on my conscience. So I want to be brutally honest as to what my experience has been. Good, bad, negative, positive. I will tell you everything very clearly, 110% clarity. I am a big VW Skoda fan. The biggest, I think मेरे से बड़ा कोई नहीं होगा. I'm just joking. I'm sure there are other people also who are VW Skoda fans. What I'm experiencing is what you should know. That is the truth. Alright? Whatever the unpleasant experiences are, whatever the positive experiences are, I've already shared earlier and I'll always keep sharing. Okay? So that is one of the things that you guys should be aware of when it comes to watching my videos. Okay, it's always going to be a brutally honest kind of a way to go forward, and always it will be. So now I'm just rambling. Anyway, so what I was saying is the car, I've also installed what do you call, the water repellent film on my ORVMs. So because during raining season the ORVMs, they get the visibility goes down because all the water spots are there. So I've installed the anti-repellent film also, and yeah, that's around $350. So that's okay. And yeah, that's about it. The car is almost ready. Okay, and once I get it home, I'll do a complete check again in front of all of you and show you how it has been. Till then, stay tuned. Very fun to drive. Very fun to drive this car. What's up, Tower Rovers? So, guys, an update that the car is back from the service center. All the work has been done. The software has been updated. The what do you call that? The dash cam issue is not yet resolved because I am traveling and they'll have to order a new piece and that will take some time to come. So that I will be coming back. Once I come back to my hometown, I will resolve the dash cam issue. The software issue with the infotainment system is resolved, and the issue with the fit and finish of the door handle on the co-driver and the driver side has been resolved. So now it's not shaking anymore. So this was the update, and I've also installed an anti water what do you call that, water repellent film on my ORVMs. That they're transparent. I'll show you once I come back. And I'll be traveling. A lot more content is still on the lineup, so don't worry. Just because I'm traveling, you will see a lot more uploads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video as much as possible. And press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe, Turbo Revers. Thanks for watching.
Straight to the